Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This OHill Desk Cable Management Core Organizer has helped me organize my life. Going from having cables everywhere, not able to have things organized, has given me headaches. But this OHill Cord Management has been my saver. So now I can have my desk organized. And whenever I want to be charging something, I know it's going to be in place. It's not going to be all over the desk. So now, whenever I want to charge anything like my devices or something, I have it just right next to me. I have it right next to my bed. It's been so helpful. I don't have to be reaching out, trying to find my cables. They're just there for me whenever I need them. I love that I can put them anywhere in the house. I have one in the kitchen island whenever we want to be charging phones or any other devices. Now I can mob with any of the issues with cables. I love to have this type of products that I can rely on them and they'll be helpful. And that's my point of view.